Just a quick update on Project Nano. So I put an Aurora, Goby, and a pistol shrimp, candy cane pistol shrimp, into this aquarium about 6 weeks ago, and I had not heard from either one, seen either one. I did hear the pistol fire a couple times, but never saw either one. Well, the other night I noticed the Aurora Goby poking his head out of this cave next to the Duncan, and he's here right now, so I'm going to try to get him on film, just so I can make sure I'm not seeing things, because he tends to run away when I come up to the aquarium. And maybe we'll see the pistol shrimp too. So I'm gonna walk real slow. If you look next to the Duncan on the right, you'll make out the head of the Aurora. I'm going to try to get up close. So there's the Aurora. Not sure where the pistol is. Maybe it's in the cave behind him. But yeah, that's it. Just wanted to give an update on that. Thanks for watching.